I want to show you the quickest and easiest way that you could design and print your own t-shirts. And the only thing you need is a heat press. We are using screen printed transfers here, which apply in just 4 seconds with a retail ready look, feel, and washability of a traditional print. And there it is, a screen printed shirt that you could make yourself without the investment into expensive printers or machines, inks or emulsions, and that learning curve of traditional screen printing. Hey there, I'm Dave with Transfer Express, and we are the world's leading supplier of custom screen printed and digital heat transfers. Since 1991, we've helped over 300,000 people just like you start and run their own profitable t-shirt businesses from their own home. So let me show you just how easy it is. Seriously, anyone could do it. So let's jump on over to transferexpress.com and get started. Here, you could design your custom t-shirt graphics online in our free, robust, EasyView online designer. Even if you have zero graphic design experience, we have over 10,000 customizable layouts and clip art that you can use for free. Look how easy it is here to just swap out some text or clip art and change a few of these preloaded artwork templates to fit your specific needs. With just a couple clicks and a few minutes, you could have a fully customized graphic ready to go. No subscription necessary and no apps or additional programs you need to download and learn how to use. Even if you are a designer, you could easily upload your own files in almost any format to create one-of-a-kind easy t-shirts. The real profit-building benefit here is what we call gang sheets at Transfer Express. We sell all of our screen printed transfers by the 11.5 by 14-inch sheet, so the more artwork you could fit on there, the more bang for your buck. Here we have some front or back prints, a left chest print, and even a sleeve print artwork all grouped together on this sheet, making each print incredibly affordable. With minimum quantities as low as 6 pieces, limited runs are super accessible and affordable. Once we're done, we could even mock up the artwork onto a t-shirt so we could see exactly how our project will turn out. A couple of clicks and we are all set, ready to check out. Now, one color screen printed transfers from Transfer Express ship as quick as 1 business day. So you're not waiting long and you won't have to sit there weeding vinyl or buying any expensive substrates. These transfers come ready to apply. Now that we've got our transfers all cut out, let's head back to our heat press here and I'll show you that they are just as easy to print as they were to design. With heat printing, there are 3 elements: time, temperature, and pressure. So we could set our time and temperature here on our press. For our goof-proof screen printed transfers, it's 365 degrees for 4 to 6 seconds with a medium to firm pressure that we could set on our press right here with this pressure knob. We'll load our blank t-shirt onto the heat press, pre-press to remove any moisture and wrinkles, and then we'll take our transfer and lay it down right here for a traditional center chest front print. Pressing for just 4 seconds will peel the carrier paper away immediately, and here it is, a screen printed t-shirt. What's great about using screen printed transfers is not only the quality of the print, but that it could be done on demand. So you could stock up on the blanks and only print your designs when needed, eliminating that expensive upfront cost or inventory with printed designs that may not sell. It's just super low risk, and you're not spending thousands of dollars on those expensive direct-to-garment printers and inks. Now, you could get started with a quality heat press for just a few $100s and order transfers only when you need them. No need to stock inks, vinyl, or other substrates. Let Transfer Express take care of all of that for you. Now, if you want to learn more, head on over to transferexpress.com for some free samples. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube for tons of helpful tips and tricks, and feel free to contact us, call us, or email us at info@transferexpress.com. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.